Introduction. Hi, my name is Terence S. Phillips, and not long ago, I was employed with a Fortune 500 company as a finance manager, working 60 plus hours a week, coming in early and leaving late. Basically, I sold out to the company I worked for. I missed a lot of family activities, celebrations, and a lot of times when I did get home at a decent time, I was burnt out to do too much and would crash early and go straight to bed. What a life, right? Even though I made six figures a year, I felt underappreciated, overworked, and my family life suffered. As with everything in life, things changed. The senior management changed at my location, and the new regime did not want my services anymore and threw me to the curb. My years of service, my loyalty to the company, my time with the company did not mean anything. I was hurt, angry, and felt used as no advance notice or warning was given before I was given the axe. Due to my loyalty to the company, and being that I was a family man, I did not have any room to do anything else. I only had this one source of income that I provided for my family. I did have a company I owned on the side, but it was not fully active, and I need to have a solid network or marketing plan to rely on this for income at the time. Let's talk about the enemy. The very thing that keeps us working 9 to 5 for half of our natural lives. That enemy is linear income. Linear income is when you get paid an X amount of dollars for every hour you work. This is how 99% of the people in this world earn their money, through linear income. So why exactly is linear income so bad? Why did I just declare it our enemy? Well, for starters, linear income keeps people working because they have to, not because they want to. Let's say you have a mortgage to pay, car payments, all kinds of bills and family to take care of. What will happen to all that if you suddenly stop working? You lose the house, the car, and you, together with your family, go broke and possibly homeless. That's what linear income does. It enslaves people and keeps them working 40 hours a week until they are old, tired, and have to retire. The whole, quote, system of linear income is designed to benefit the company you work for, not you. The company gets a skilled, dedicated worker that devotes and sacrifices half of their life to make the company successful. And what does the worker get? The means to get by paycheck to paycheck every single month. Furthermore, the worker is expendable and can easily be replaced if they start demanding too much or misbehave. Now, let me ask you this. If you have a regular 9 to 5 job and keep earning a linear income for the rest of your life, will you be able to have the life you have always dreamed of? Probably not. You can, of course, live a humble life, eventually own your own house and raise a family. And that's not bad, but it's probably not something you dream and fantasize about every day. It's not something you would keep in mind when buying a lottery ticket. Okay, now that we've talked about our enemy, let's talk about our savior. The savior is residual income. A simple definition of residual income would be getting paid every month for something you do once. So what's so great about that? First